Yeah, I guess significant numbers have joined. So yeah, let's begin the session for today. I welcome you all for this session and thanks to LIT. Here we have Sushant K. Raut sir. He has been training engineers and has experience of more than 10 years in the field of C, C++ and all. Okay, and LIT also provides several other coaching for different other courses as well. You can go through their website and their Facebook link as well. And yes, Susan sir is right here. We can have the session started now. Sir, हमें आरंभ कर करिए sir.
ठीक है. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes.
Sir,
Can I get a feedback? Those are sitting in online today. They belongs to which semester? Accordingly, I will deliver the topic.
Sir, mostly they are from first semester. I mean the first year itself, and some are also from second year, third semester.
Third semester and first semester. Okay. Yes. And C programming is there in the which semester?
It's there in the first semester, sir.
First semester. Mostly they completed or going on?
It's going on, sir. The semester has
going on. C programming. Okay. Thank you, everybody. This much information was required. So now I start my session. Myself, Sushant Kumar Raut. Okay, from Bhubaneswar, LIT. Today, I will deliver on C programming. I will start a session in such a way so everybody will be happy and everybody will get more information regarding the C programming. Generally, I respect to all the engineering students. I respect to NITians. And today I got the opportunity to meet you like people because you are NIT students. And my topic is C programming. So before going to C programming, first you have to understand what the syllabus generally cover in C programming. I am writing syllabus, please. If you are recording, it is okay. If you are not recording, please write it. Generally, what we log in is C programming. Acha, today's session is how much time? Hello?
Sir, we can take it from 1.5 hours to 2 hours.
Acha, take it. So, देखिए C programming, what is the syllabus? C programming syllabus. You have to know the syllabus. What is the general C program we are reading? I am writing introduction, data types, operators, control structure, pointer, array, function, storage class, preprocessor, structure and union, file, command line. Then this is a basics. Generally we are saying basics. I will explain. Then process threads, locking mechanism, socket or network programming, ODBC programming, daemon process. Here is a curses and glad interface. अच्छा देखिए, then like there are many other syllabuses there also. What I am telling, try to understand. This is generally known as basic C. It is known as the basic C. And here we are telling it is the advanced C. In C programming, This is the syllabus of a basic C. Generally, all the engineering students are reading this syllabus. This much all the engineering students are reading. You also reading something. Data types, operators, control structure, pointer, array function, storage class, reprocessor, structure union, file, command line. That is basic C, and the rest is advanced. Okay. So though it is a seminar, it is not a class. So very quickly I'll jump. So better don't try to understand, otherwise you take the photograph. This is the basic C, this is advanced C. And all the engineering students, not only engineering students, engineering students, MTech student, and MCA student, BSc student, all are reading same thing, same basics. This basics here. But remember, if you basic C, what are the basic C advantage? If people are reading basic C as a first semester student or third semester student, what are the advantage? Your semester paper will be clear. If you are preparing for semester, if you are preparing for semester, if you are preparing for semester, it is very important. Basic C. If a basic C is clear, you will be hero in the college. Semester paper will be clear. Any question will come in semester, that will be clear. What the other advantage? If you are preparing for a campus interview, if you are preparing for campus interview, that will be more helpful. When you go for any campus interview, if you mention in your CV programming language no C, any question will come, that is under basic C. They cannot ask any top question. They cannot ask any question on advanced C or system programming. Acha. For the other advantage you will get, if a basic C is clear, that is a basic C. No, this is a basic C. If a basic C is clear, learning other programming language is easy. Easy to learn other programming language. Easy to learn other programming language. Other programming language like Python, Java, C++, C#. These languages easy to learn. So important is your semester will be clear, campus interview will be clear, easy to learn other programming language, C++, Java, Python. So very important is basic C. Never neglect the basic C. That is my advice to everybody. So if the basic C is clear, the semester paper will be clear. Generally people are preparing for semester. Those are third semester, they are preparing for future campus interview. Or if the basic C is clear, very easy to learn other programming language. But problem is, again I remove this one. Yes. But if the basic C is clear, you cannot develop a project. You cannot mention in your CV, these are the softwares I developed in C programming. You cannot maintain the CVs, curriculum vitae. Your CV cannot be maintained. You cannot mention anything on C programming. If they have proficiency in circuit programming, proficiency in kernel programming, proficiency in system calls, proficiency in database programming, proficiency in locking mechanism, you cannot mention. Also, you cannot develop a software. You cannot develop software. If the basic C is clear, if the basic C, you are clear in basic C, but you cannot develop a project for your campus interview. You cannot develop a project in 7th semester in preparation. You cannot maintain the CV well. Also, you cannot develop a software because all the system software generally written in C language. So it is difficult. That's why you have to move from basic C again to advanced C. If advanced C is clear, you can develop a project, it is okay. You can maintain CD, okay, but the problem is you cannot develop a software. You cannot develop a software. To develop a software, below again other C programming, you have to know system programming. Here it is some other syllabus is there in C, that is for system programming. System programming. After system programming is completed, then means a system programming. You go through system programming syllabus, that is on C. After system programming syllabus is completed, you can able to develop a system software. Apart from, there is a device driver programming. Device driver programming. Device driver programming. What about this one? So you are in this stage. Today also I discuss this one only, basics. And this is advanced C. You can develop a project. You can mention in your CV, but you cannot develop a software. To develop a software, you have to know the system. System programming only can be written in C language. Device driver only can be written in C language. So this is another 10, 11 chapters in system programming. Here is 10, 11 chapter in system, what device level programming. In C programming, total is 72 chapters. Remember, my dear friend, 72 chapters. Out of the 10 chapters, you saw 11 chapter is for system programming. Here is 8 to 9 chapter is used for device development. Then I don't know also the rest, but I know basic C, I know advanced well, I know system programming, I know what device development. But in Odisha, no engineering college giving focus to system programming, no engineering college giving focus on device level programming. Few students are interested for advanced C, and most of the college only basics is given. This is our Odisha. That's our mindset. Only to get a job in TCS Infosys, we do 4 lakhs package, 5 lakhs package. That's why whole hardworking from the first day, means a standard 1 up to 12th, then our engineering degree is completed. So we are running for the job at TCS Infosys kind of company. Again, we are not thinking 15 lakhs package, 20 lakhs package, 30 lakhs package. If you think about the 20 lakhs above package, you must have a knowledge on system programming. You must have a knowledge on what? Device level programming. Okay. But today's session is 1 minute. So this is the syllabus. And most probably, this basic C everybody completed or it is going on in your college. Acha, again, next, I close it. Acha, before going to C programming, here, I uploaded many things in my web blog. Please go through Sushant K.WordPress. Sushant K.WordPress. नहीं, Sushant WordPress. 1 minute. Sushant K. Raut WordPress. Sushant K. Raut WordPress. Here it is Sushant K.WordPress.com. You open it. Actually, why I am telling this web blog? Last many years I involved in C programming. And 10-11 books already have written in C programming. Some experience I got it, and here I uploaded it. When you are getting free time, please go through author's C language and its importance. C language and its importance, please read it. When you are getting time, please read it. Evolution of C programming. When you are getting time, please read it. And also very important, career in system programming. Start your career in system. What you know. When you are getting tips on C before very important. C, please read it. C programming. Data means very important for your campus interview. You get it from internet. If you search in internet, it will take more time. So tips on C.
Sir,
Again,
are you sharing any screen?
Yeah.
Are you sharing any screen?
Oh, I did not share.
Sir, I think the screen is shared, but it's paused. Still we are able to see the C programming syllabus.
Acha, C programming syllabus was visible.
Yes, sir. The other things are not.
Why it is not visible? एक minute. I share it. एक minute. No, share already. I share the screen.
So once could you try sharing the desktop and the entire desktop?
अच्छा एक minute. Share the entire desktop and Windows. Yes. देखिए.
Yes, sir. Now
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So again I repeat. So visit. Again I repeat. These are the things. So you go through sushant.wordpress.com. Every information I uploaded. It is very, very important for everybody. Okay. So I close it. Yes. Now. So today I do not spend more. I do not gossip other thing. So now we'll come to the topic. In basic C, these are the syllabus already you know. But any one chapter, just I am to select it. Any one chapter like operator. First I discuss operator. Many people are thinking operator is very simple. Many people are thinking operator is very simple and what they are neglecting this operator. All the chapters are very, very important. What I request, before going to a particular chapter, I will discuss 2-3 chapters very quickly. Please ready. I am very clear in basic C, very clear in advanced C, very clear in system programming, very clear in device driver. Though you are first year student, so better I discuss few chapters on basic C. That's why it is helpful for your career, helpful to everybody. I do not go for advanced C or any other thing. So first I discuss operator, then any other chapter you tell me I will discuss. देखिए operator. Please write down everybody operators. Please write down. Acha, in your keyboard, my voice is audible?
Yes, I
Hello. Can I talk with a person? Tell me your name, whom I talk, whom I ask question. Anyone? Anyone I have to talk?
Yeah, it's Santanu, sir.
Tell me your name.
Santanu, sir.
Santanu. You are belongs to which year?
Third year, sir.
Third year.
Yes, sir.
Any first year student name? Any first year student name?
Deepak Kumar Mohanty.
Deepak Kumar Mohanty. Deepak, good morning.
Yes.
Is he audible?
Yes, sir.
Deepak, ठीक है. अच्छा Deepak, first I will discuss operator. You are first year.
Yes, sir.
First year. You have a laptop.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, you have a laptop. You are first year. And which branch?
Mechanical.
Mechanical branch. Acha Deepak, in your laptop there are many symbols are available. देखिए many symbols. I am typing all the symbols present in keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. How many symbols there in your keyboard? 32 symbols. How many symbols?
32.
32 symbols. Remember, everybody, in your keyboard, totally 32 symbols are present. But in the programming language C programming language totally support 45 operators. 45 operators in C. Your C programming language total support 45 operators. Again, here 45 operators in C and 32 symbols present in your keyboard. 32 symbols present in your keyboard. Remember, 32 symbols present in keyboard and 45 operators in C. Acha, all these symbols are operator? Now, all the operators are symbols. Remember, all the operators are symbol, but all the symbols are not operator. All operators are symbol, but all symbols are not operator. Remember, all the operators are symbols, but all the symbols are not operator. Good. Basic, very simple. All the operators are symbol, but all the symbols are not operator. Expected everybody know this chapter. That's I'm discussing for your career, for your campus interview, for your semester, for other programming language. 3 angles I'll discuss. All the operators are symbol, but all the symbols are not operators. Next, totality 45 operators in C, and your keyboard contain 32 symbols. Next, another example I'm writing. K is equal to 5 into 9 plus 3 minus 1. This is an expression, and everybody know in this expression here is a multiplication. 5. This 5 is an operand. This 5 is an operand. But here is a multiplication is a operator. Acha, 5 is a operand, multiplication is a operator. Same thing 9 is also operand, plus is operator. 9 plus is operator. Operand and operators. So you identify which one is operand, which one is operator. 5 into 9, this is operand, 9 is operand, multiplication is operator. So your C language totally support 45 operators in C. You know which one is operand, which one is operators. Plus, next, the topic is operator. Very fast topic, we are selecting operator. Acha, when you go for semester, when you go for campus interview, what kind of questions ask in operator? Operator is absolutely a theory chapter. Remember, operator absolutely a theory chapter. No programming. You cannot develop any program if your operator chapter is clear. Using operator, you cannot develop a program. Operator chapter absolutely theory. And find out the output kind of questions, multiple kind of questions only can be raised. Operator chapter gives you multiple choice kind of question, find out the output kind of question, and the theory questions you'll get. So first we'll discuss what kind of a question will be raised from the operator. Operator over a question generally coming. So please write down few questions I'm typing operator related. Which operator in C cannot be overloaded in C++? It is an interview question. Which operator in C? Which operators in C cannot be overloaded in C++? It is a question. Please write down if you have a pen paper, otherwise you take a photograph. Number 2, what is the difference between precedence and associativity? What is the difference between precedence and associativity? What is the difference between precedence and associativity? Question number 3. Which algorithm is used to convert infix to postfix expression? This question may not come in your semester, but it will come in future campus interview. But it is operator chapter. In C basic C 10 to 11 chapter, only one chapter we decide today. Then I'll explain another chapter. Which algorithm is used to convert infix to postfix expression? Number 4. Write a single line statement to check a number is even or odd without using any condition or conditional statement, conditional operator. Write a single line statement to check a number is even or odd without using any condition or conditional statement. Without using any relational operator, how to find maximum and minimum of any two numbers. Write a single line statement to check a number is the power of 2 or not. All the questions are related to operators only. Next. Without any extra memory space, write a single line statement to swap two numbers. Operator related question show already. Next, without size of operator, how to measure the size of a variable. Next, what is the return value of relational operators? Next, how many questions? It becomes 9 questions. Finish everybody? Hello? Hello? Deepak?
Yes, sir. Sorry. Yes.
Please take a photograph. It will be more, if you write, it will take time. So this chapter contains this much question. I will explain all the question. So I close it. Better don't write. there is a website I developed. In this website, I absolutely uploaded all the questions along with the answers. Here is your website, www.litindia.ac.in. litindia.ac.in. So you can go through this website. Many things are uploaded. When you are getting time, just read it. Here is a download interview question. Download interview question, click it. Here is the नीचे देखिए coding. These are the questions required for campus interview for 7th semester student. Badly required for campus interview. Download, click anything. Here is the suppose chain pieces. Here is the chain pieces. This kind of question is generally come in campus interview. This is the pattern, coding pattern. Here is a coding pattern. Today onwards you prepare it. Here is the answer is given. Question is given. Mary went to the jeweler shop to get her broken golden chain prepared. For joining any two pieces of a chain, jeweler will charge the cost of it. So paragraph is written, input format is given, output format is given. Please go through this coding question. Here is the 10-15 coding questions uploaded. This pattern question generally come in campus interview. Here is the C tips. Here is the C tips. In your basic C, the topic I decided operator objective here. Operator objective. Here is a questions are given with answer is given. Okay, every chapter contain question. Here is a question with answer is already given. What is the difference between precedence and associativity? Answer is given. What is the written value of relational operator? Answer is given. Not only operator, all the chapter. Every chapter, theory question, answer is given. Then data structure, same data structure tips and tricks. Here is a multiple choice kind of question also given. Operator chapter, multiple choice question is given. Here is a multiple choice questions also given in operator chapter. Please go through it. And here is a multiple choices. All the questions, set A, set B, set C, set D, set E. Each set contain 50 questions. Each set contain 50 questions with answer is provided. That is very, very important for your campus interview, TCS, Infosys, anything. So you please go through it. Here is the given program. That is very, very important. Day 1, day 2, day 3, up to 100 days program is uploaded. So my request to everybody, sitting in home, practice day 1, practice day 2, day 3. That is absolutely question and answer is given. Here is the day 1 question is given. Number 1, C program to display all the number from 1 to 100, those are part 2. Answer is given. Find the sum of all the digits of a number, answer is given. Only 5 questions are given. Each day carries 5 questions. So go through day 1, day 2, day 3. If 100 days, each day 5 questions. If 100 days completed, the question is designed in such a way, whole any kinds of campus interview can crack it. Any kinds of campus interview, programming, coding, you can crack it. So please, I request, go through this website, download all these questions and answer. Thank you. Next. Audible, Deepak, audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next. This is the, total is the 45 operator. You have written all the question. Now I will start my chapter. Out of 45 operator, first we will discuss relational operator. The key relational operator. I am writing relational operator. No, 1 minute. Sorry. Total is 45 operators in C. 45 operators in C. अच्छा बताइए, here is written A is equal to 5 into 9 plus 3. In this example, which operation will be performed first? Which operation will be performed first? Multiplication. क्यों? Because precedence.
Multiplications.
Precedence. What is the precedence? Precedence decides which operation will be performed first in an expression. I'm writing. You don't write. I'm writing. Precedence. What is the precedence? It decides which operation will be performed first in an expression. Acha, precedence decides which operation will be performed first in an expression. Acha, in this expression, here is a 5 into 9 plus 3 into 7. 3 into 7. Acha, which multiplication will be performed? First, this multiplication or this multiplication? Associativity decides. Associativity decides the order of evaluation. Again, I am writing. It decides order of evaluation when more than one operator enjoys the same precedence. What the difference between precedence and associativity? Precedence decides which operation will be performed first in an expression, but associativity decides the order of evaluation. When more than one operators enjoy same precedence. So what we'll do? You have to understand total 35 operators, their precedence and their associativity. Total 35 operator, what is the precedence and associativity? That table you have to remember. So better, instead of writing table, I can go through Google. I can Google it, the operator precedence table. Operator precedence table in C. Operator precedence table in C. So in a table you will get it. Where is the precedence? C, operator precedence and associativity. You go through, here is a table. Here is a table is given which operator is the highest precedence, which operator is the second highest precedence, what is their associativity. Already table is given here. So this table you have to remember. The highest precedence is a parenthesis. Here is a parenthesis, bracket, dot and arrow. This operator is the highest precedence. Comma operator, last is a comma operator. Comma operator is the lowest precedence. Comma operator is the lowest precedence. Here is a precedence table. Just remember. That is the job. That is your responsibility to download the precedence table. But out of the 35 operator, just trying to discuss. Out of 45 operator, just trying to discuss the relational operator. Okay? A relational operator. But a relational operator is a greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to. Please write down and equal to. These are the relational operator. Acha, these relational operator, precedence number is 6. And these relational operator, precedence number is 7. Both associated with left to right. They are evaluated from left to right. Again, these are the relational operator, not equal to and equal to. All are relational operator. Greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to, equal to. These are the relational operator. Here you find 3 to 4 questions. It is 3 to 4 question which is a very tough question, very difficult question also. Relational operator. Greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to, equal to. These operator is the 6th highest precedence. These operator is the 7th highest precedence. अच्छा बताइए, here is written k is equal to 10 is greater than 3. K is equal to 10 is greater than 3. 10 is greater than 3. Yes, if it 10 is greater than 3, the k value will be 1. अच्छा, 10 is greater than 30. No, the k value will be 0. देखिए, I write a very small program. You don't write. I write a very small program. Here is the integer k is equal to 10 is greater than 3. Yes, 10 is greater than 3. What will be the value of k? Value of k is 1 because 10 is greater than 3. Value of k is 1 here. Here value of k is 1. Acha 10 is greater than 30? No. 10 is not greater than 30. Value of k is 0. Value of k is 0. Yes. Acha, all the relational operator return value is 1 or 0. Remember, all the relational operator return value is 1 or 0. That is very, very important. All the relational operator return value is 1 or 0. All the relational operator return value is 1 or 0. Here is a question for everybody. Interview question. A value is 5, B value is 5, C value is 5. देखिए A 5, B 5, C 5. If A value equal to B value, A value and B value, if both are equal, and B value and C value is equal, print दिल्ली चलो else print घर चलो. Hello, anybody can answer? What will be the output? A value is 5, B value is 5, C value is 5. A 5, B 5, C 5. A 5, B 5, C 5. If A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then Delhi chalo. What then?
Delhi chalo.
Delhi chalo.
A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Acha, remember, 10 is equal to 10. If both are same, return value is 1. 10 is equal to 9. Both are not same, return value is 0. If equal, this is the equality operator. This is the left side. This is the right side. If both the left and the right side are equal, return value is 1. If not equal, return value is 0. Remember, everybody. Acha, tell me what is the output of this program?
Delhi chalo.
Delhi chalo. Answer will be Bharat chalo, not Delhi chalo. Kyun? A is equal to B. A is equal to B. Yes. A value, B value both are same. Yes. Return value is 1. Return value is 1. 1 is equal to C. No. 1 and C. C value is 5. 1 and 5. 1 is equal to 5. No. Return value is 0. Return value is 0. If bracket में तो 0. If it's 0, condition is false. If it's 0, condition is false. If you want, condition is true. कल आंसर कौन बाजू? Hello.
Yes.
घर चलो ना दिल्ली चलो. Hello. घर चलो. Thank you. First A and B is compare here. Both are same. Return value is 1. Then the return value 1 is compared with C. Both are not same. Return value is 0. If it's 0, condition is false. If it's 0, condition is false. The answer will be Ghar chalo, not Delhi chalo. देखिए, I run this program. ये program का कब run करेगा? Yes, run it. Answer is Ghar chalo, not Delhi chalo. Understood here? This is a tricky question. A is equal to B. First A and B is compare here. Both are equal. Return value is 1. That return value 1 is compared with C. Both are not equal. Return value is 0. If it's 0, condition is false. Ghar chalo. Clear everybody? Hello?
Yes.
Deepak. Understood? Yes. We are reading relational operator. Sorry, relational operator. Greater than, less than, greater than, equal to. These are the relational operator here. Greater than, less than, equal to, less than, equal to. Here is equal to, not equal to. This is the 6th highest precedence. This is the 7th highest precedence. Go through the table here. Relational operator. You are reading relational operator. Acha, tell me what the output of this. Another question. What the output? Acha, this kind of question don't write. Already in my website is uploaded. Answer is given. You can download and you can read it. Any problem you can directly call me. My mobile number is there in my website. Next question. What will be the output of this program? Integer a value is integer k is equal to 1 is equal to 9 is greater than 4. What is the value of k? Anybody? What is the value of k? K value kete asibo? 1 is equal to 9 greater than 4. Hello?
One.
1 is equal to 9 greater than 4.
0.
0.
Which operator is implemented first?
Double equal to.
No, according to your operator rule, first is greater than, less than, equal to, enter the sixth highest precedence. Equal to and not equal to enter the seventh highest precedence. So which operator will be implemented first?
Greater than.
9 greater than 4. Return value is 1. 1 equal to 1. Yes, return value is 1. So answer will be what?
1.
1. Here answer will be 1. According to the operator, greater than enter the highest precedence. Yes, answer is 1. You have to understand every operator. You have to remember this table. A table ta tumko mane rakhiya padiyo, my dear friend. This table you have to remember. What is the associativity? This precedence number is again this operator. Here it is this operator in the highest precedence, second highest, third highest, fourth highest, fifth highest, sixth highest, seventh highest. Dekho, these operator in the sixth highest, these operator in the seventh highest precedence here. So greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to into the highest precedence, than equal to and not equal to. You have to remember. Tumko mane rakhiya padega. Operators. Next. Another example I am telling. Another example. Tell me, integer I value is 1. While I value is less than equal to 5. Printf hi. Printf hi. Acha, how many times hi statement is executed?
6 times.
Hello? How many times hi statement will be executed?
5
printf
times.
statement. A printf statement kete thar execute habo?
5 times.
5 times.
5 times. Beautiful. 5 times. This printf hi executed 5 times. Beautiful. Hi 5 times. But my interview question. What is the interview question? Interview question is how many times this while state, sorry, a minute. Interview question. Whatever. Hello. How many times this while statement is executed? How many times that while statement is executed?
4 times.
How many times while statement is executed? Acha, this printf statement is executed 5 times.
6.
How many times?
6 times.
Beautiful. 6 times. No, 6 times. 6 times is executed. देखिए, I value is 1. When I value is 1 is less than 5. Return value is 1. Then I plus I value is 2. 2 is less than 5. Return value is 1. Then I plus I value is 3. 3 is less than 5. Yes, return value is 1. I plus I value is 4. 4 is less than 5. Yes, return value is 1. Then I plus sorry. Again I plus I value is 5. 5 is less than equal to 5. Yes, return value is 1. Then I plus I value is 6. 6 is less than equal to 5. No, return value is 0. So 6 times is executed. This while statement 6 times is executed. Out of them 5 times true. 5 times true. Last time is false. Last time is false. Last time was the 6th time. 6th time is false. Understood, everybody? Hello? A while statement का 6 थर execute है 6 times executed. Out of them, first 5 times true, last time false. It is internal question. How many times the while statement is executed? How many times the while statement is executed? How number? 6 times executed. Remember, 6 times executed this while statement. Acha, tell me, what is the output of this program? A program output while 0 is equal to 0. Printf high. How many times it is? How many times it display high? How many times it display high?
Infinite.
Yes. Infinite display high. Can be 0 equal to 0. 0 equal to 0, yes, return value is 1. Both are same, return value is 1. While 1 means this is an infinite times. Infinite times. This is infinite times. The loop will be executed infinite time. Can 0 equal to 0 means always true. 0 equal to 0 is always 1. So the loop will continue infinite times. Good. So relational operator. You are reading relational operator. All the relational operator return value 1 or 0. You got idea. You got idea. All the relational operator return value 1 or 0. These are the relational operator. Greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. Return value 1 or 0. Next, logical operator. Next is a logic. Sorry. Next is a logical operator. Logical operator is an AND operator. No, logical OR operator. This is a logical OR operator. And the highest 8 highest precedence. No, 10 highest precedence. No, it is 11 highest. Sorry. It is 11 highest precedence. Logical OR and the 11 highest precedence. Logical AND. This is a logical AND operator. Logical AND operator, and the 12th highest precedence. 12th highest precedence. This is a logical NOT operator. This is a logical NOT operator. NOT operator. It is a 11th to, it is a second highest precedence. It is a second highest precedence. Second highest precedence. Manrakva, logical OR, logical AND, logical NOT operator. 11, 12, but it is a second highest precedence. Right now, all the logical operator also return value is 1 or 0. All the logical operator return value is 1 or 0. Like a relational operator. All the logical operator return value is 1 or 0. And a very important is a logical operator. Here 4, 5 very important questions are there. If there are 4-5 important questions, very important questions are there. Logical OR, logical AND, logical NOT operators. OR operator is the 11th highest precedence. AND operator is the 12th highest precedence. And the NOT operator is the second highest precedence. All the logical operator return value is either 1 or 0. Acha dekhiye. Next. Yes. Acha, here is the logical OR operator. This is the left side, this is the right side. Acha, in the C language, if write 9, it is a non-zero value. If write 20, it is a non-zero value. If write 0, it is a 0 value. Non-zero value represents true, 0 represents false. Write down please everybody. In C language, in C, non-zero value represents true. Represents true. Non-zero value represents true. But 0 represents false. Represents false. 0 represents false. Non-zero represents true. In C programming, non-zero value represents true, 0 represents false. Everybody have to understand. 0 matlab false, any non-zero, either it is a negative or positive. Non-zero value represents true, 0 represents false. Acha bataiye. Here is the written k is equal to 20 or 30. It is written true or true. It is written true or true. What is the OR operator? Any one of the true is true. So k value is 1. K value is 1. True or true? K value is 1. If it is written value is 1 or 0. True or true? K value is 1. Acha OR operator. Here is the k is equal to 20 or 0. True or false? It is written true or false. True or false is it true. True or false is it true. Written value is 1. Here is the written k is equal to false or 30. 0 or 30 means if false or true, is it true? Is it true? True means matlab 1. Here is the k is equal to false or false. False or false, is it false? 0. False or false. OR operator, any one of the true is true. Remember, OR operator, any one of the true is true. OR operator, either left side or right side, any one of the true is true. Non-zero value represents true. Non-zero value represents true. 0 represents false. What is the OR operator? If both sides is false, then is it false. Then is it false. Otherwise, any one of the true is true. Next. Very simple, don't write. Here is the AND operator. K is equal to 20 and 30. 20 and 30. It is matlab true and true. Is it true? So K value is 1. K is equal to 20 and 0. It means it true and false. True and false is it false. It is 0. Here is the k is equal to false and true. False and 30. False and true is it false. Here k is equal to false and false is it false. What is the AND operator? Any one of the false is it false. Any side. This side is it false. Is it false? This side is it false. Is it false? Both sides is it false. Is it false? AND operator. In any side, either left side or right side, false matlab false. अभी बताइए. अच्छा, remember, OR operator, this is the left side, this is the right side. If the left side is true, any one of the true is true, right side is not executed. How to repeat? Again I repeat. OR operator, left side and the right side. If the left side is true, the right side is not executed because any one of the true is true. AND operator, this is the left side, this is the right side. If the left side is false, the right side is also not executed because any one of the false is false. If the left side is false, the right side is not executed. Here left side is true, the right side is not executed. Remember? Tell me the answer now. Anybody can answer. Here is a question. Tome answer batai paribo. Here is the integer k is equal to 90 or minus a. Acha, minus a. It is operator. Minus a. Suppose a value is 5. Minus a matlab a is equal to a minus 1. So value becomes 4. Right? Hello? Here is the integer a value is 5. Acha, tell me what is the value of k and a? What is the value of k and a? K kaibo? What is the k value? What is the a value? Deepak, you are there in online? Sab acha? Hello?
90 and 4.
A4 K1.
What is the k value? What is the a value? Anybody?
K1 A4.
K value is 1, a value is 4. No, wrong answer. You told wrong answer. Hello? Anybody? Hello?
A is equal to
Background sound is coming. Batai. Hello? अच्छा और ऑपरेटर लेफ्ट साइड के ट्रू और फॉल्स और ऑपरेटर if left side is true, right side will be executed or not executed?
Not executed.
Not executed.
Not executed. If it not executed, A value cannot be decremented. A value decremented habani. Tell it true or anything. Is it true? K value is 1. So K value is 1, A value is 5.
5.
K value is 1, A value will be 5. Eighty K value 1 baribo, A value 5 baribo. Yes, K value is 1, A value is 5. देखिए K value is 1, A value is 5. और operator if left side is true, right side is not executed. Clear everybody? Hello.
Sir, A value टा out करे.
A value 5 ରହିବ କାହିଁକି A value decrement ହେଲାନି. If A value is not decremented, A value is same 5.
Okay.
हाँ. अच्छा ଏବେ କୁହ କଣ କରିବ? A is equal to 100. What is the value of K and A?
One and five.
Again, what is the K value?
1 and 5.
Sir,
K
0.
value is 1, A value is 5. No.
Sir, K value 0.
K value is 0. Again, tell me.
K value 0, A value 5.
K value is 0, A value is
5.
5. No, wrong answer. K value is 1, A value is 5. Wrong answer. K value is 1, A value is 100. Wrong answer. K value is 1, A value is 5. K value is 0, A value is 100. It is a wrong answer. And any answer you will give it is a wrong. जहाँ भी आंसर दो it is wrong. काहेंगे? It is a compile error. It is a compilation error. It is a compilation error. मुझे यदि compile कर ली, इधर error बाहर. देखिए, if I compile, gives error. Error. कौन error ना दला? Invalid L value in assignment. Error. Invalid L value in assignment. क्यों? बता दूँ. देखिए, I'll explain. अच्छा, before understand this question, you try to understand. Can you write 5 is equal to 9? No. 5 is equal to 9 you cannot write. It is a compilation error. Invalid L value in assignment. You cannot write 5 is equal to 9. एमिति लिखा जीवनी. You can write integer A is equal to 9 you can write, A is equal to 5 you can write, but you cannot write 5 is equal to 9. এই তলটা এমিতি লেখা যাই পারিব নাই. Assignment operator left side must be a variable. This is assignment equality, equal to operator, assignment operator. Left side must be a variable. You cannot put a constant here. You cannot put a constant. But what is our question? Our question कौन थिला? Integer A value is 5. Integer K value is equal to 90 or A is equal to 100. This is our question. Print a percentage D comma K value and A value. So it is a compilation error. How I'll explain? देखिए, इटा केमिति error काहे की error आगला? Try to understand. अच्छा, according to the rule, which operator is the highest precedence? Here is the assignment operator. Here is the equality operator. Here is the assignment operator. Which operator is the highest precedence?
Assignment.
No, assignment operator is the 14th highest precedence. Assignment operator का 14th highest precedence है जे कुछ. 8 होता assignment operator. 14th highest precedence. 14th highest precedence. Or operator is the एटी भूल अछि कि अपलोड करछि भूल अछि एटा एक्चुअली 11th highest precedence. एटा ऑपरेटर एठी आसीबो एटा ऊपर जिबो एटा भूल अछि. एक लेटर अपलोड करछि भूल अछि. और ऑपरेटर इन द हाईएस्ट प्रेसिडेंस than equal to or and equal to or operator इन द हाईएस्ट प्रेसिडेंस than equal to operator assignment operator मन रखिबो. ताले which operator enjoy the highest precedence? Or এইটা কো দেখিলো or operator enjoy the highest precedence. You have to remember that or operator enjoy the highest precedence. ताले का काम करे or अब here or between का काम करे 90 or A. Yes. See the or operator left side, or operator right side. 90 or A. What is A value? A value is 5. 90 or 5. 90 or 5. True or true? Return value is what? 1. True or true? Return value is 1. Eta 1 return karibo. True or true? Return value is 1. Then what is the rest remaining? K is equal to 1 is equal to 100. K is equal to 1 is equal to 100. 1 is equal to 100. You cannot write it. It is a compilation error. Please write down. It is लिखी दिया मन रखा. Integer K is equal to 90 or A is equal to 100. So first the or operator is the highest precedence. 90 or A, true or true, is it true? Return value is 1. Then compile it remaining K is equal to 1 is equal to 100, K is equal to 1 is equal to 100. So it is a compilation error. L value, invalid L value in assignment, invalid L value in assignment. It is a compilation error. Man rakhiyo, it is a compilation error. This kinds of questions I uploaded in website. Don't worry. ये वाला क्वेश्चन पर अपलोड करके तो हम फोटो उड़ी की नहीं जाओ. Don't write. Next. Eight answer कौन बारी वो everybody? What the answer of this question? A is equal to 100 parenthesis is given. Who can answer? What is K value? What is A value? Hello. Again.
100.
100.
5.
Yes.
100.
100.
1 and 5.
100.
1 and 5.
5. 1 and 5.
No, देखिए or operator left side is true or false? अच्छा or operator left side is true or false? Hello? Or operator left side is true. Right side is not executed. If right side is not executed, 100 cannot be assigned to A. That's why A value is the same 5. 1 5 1 5 1 5 1 5. Or operator left side is true, right side is not executed. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Here 1 and 5. Answer is 1 5. Or operator left side is true, right side is not executed. Left side is true, right side is not executed. Answer is 1 and 5. Remember, my dear friend, or operator left side is true, right side is not executed. So this question give 1 and 5 answer. 1 and 5, not 100. Thank you. Or operator left side is true. If your or operator left side is false, then the right side is executed. The answer will be 1 and 100. This will be 1 and 100, 100, 100, 100. Because or operator left side is false. If your or operator left side is true, right side will be not executed. That's a 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Clear, everybody? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So operator, that is a logical operator. One more question. So देखिए operator is not so easy. Once your operator is clear in C, is it easy to understand C++ operator, easy to understand Python operator, Java operator, C# operator, and easy for campus interview, easy for semester, multiple choice question, find out output question, what is the precedence, what is the associativity, you can easily answer. Next, one more question. Acha, what is the logic to check a number is even number or odd number? Integer n, printf, enter a number, scan n, percentile d, address of n. if n modulo 2 is equal to 0. अच्छा, any number divided by 2. Any number divided by 2. Suppose 5 divided by 2, 2 into 2 is 4. The remainder is 1. Modulo operator. This is a division modulo operator. Modulo division operator. But modulo operator. Find out the remainder. A remainder is any number divided by 2, like 4 divided by 2, 2 into 2 is 4. The remainder is 0. Any number divided by 2, any number divided by 2, either remainder will be 1 or 0. If the remainder is 0, sure that it is an even number. Sure that it is even. Else it is an odd number. Everybody know this one. Printf odd number. Achha, here is a program is written to check a number is even or odd. To check a number is even number, odd number, 99, odd number, 100, even number. Achha, what is the program is written? Check a number is even or odd using condition. Check number is even or odd using condition. Don't write it, don't write. Check a number is even or odd using condition. I write another program. ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ program लिखि दोची. Check a number is even or odd without using condition. Without using condition, I use conditional statement here. Here, check a number is even or odd using conditional operator. Conditional operator. This operator is a conditional operator. देखिए your website. This operator is a conditional operator. एटा होची conditional operator. Question mark and colon. This question mark and colon. This is a conditional operator. Conditional operator. I write conditional operator. On लिखी n modulo 2 no condition. Conditional operator is equal to 0. Question mark. Question mark represents if part. Yes, printf even. Colon represents else part. Printf odd. Yes, program is completed. Check a number is even or odd without condition. Enter a number 44 even. Enter number 12 even. Number is 13 odd. Here is the two program is written. Using condition, you are using conditional operator. Using condition, another is written using conditional operator. But my question, interview question, without any condition, without any conditional operator, without using condition, without a conditional operator, again. What is the question? Without check a number is even or odd, without any condition, without any condition and a conditional operator. How to check a number is even or odd without any condition, without conditional operator? How to check a number is even or odd? देखिए, here is the and operator, here is the or operator, here is the or operator. खत्म, program खत्म हो गया. Yes, this is the program. n modulo 2 equal to 0 and printf even or printf odd. Yes, compile it, run it. Number is 99 odd number, number is 100 even number, number is 34 even number, 45 odd number. Hello, देखो. See the left side program using condition. Below program, second program is a conditional operator. Third program without condition, without conditional operator. So please take a photograph. Take a photograph. Then I'll explain. एटार गोटे फोटो निया तापर बदे बदे फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम without using condition, using condition. Second program without using condition, only conditional statement or conditional operator. But third program no condition, no conditional operator. First program, second program is clear. Third program I'll explain. Hello.
Continue.
You have taken a photograph?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Take a photograph. Don't write. If you write, it will take time. Take a photograph. Then I'll explain. You are reading operators here. Relational operator, logical operator. This and or is a logical operator. I'll explain. Let me explain this one. Yes. Acha, before understanding this question, try to understand what is the printf. ठीक है, printf विषय जानियो. What is the printf? देखिए, मैम printf. This is the syntax of the printf here. Int printf. Printf is a function. Printf function. Its return type is integer. Hello. देखिए printf. Here is a printf function. Its return type is integer. Int printf. Int printf. Printf function always return integer. Printf function always returns integer. Integer. 5 is integer, 9 is integer, but 5.0 is a float, 9.0 is a float. 5 is integer, 5.0 is a float. But printf function return type is integer. Man rakhiyo. Printf function return type is integer. Try to understand here. I delete all the programs here. First you understand what is the printf. Main. I read a printf. Hello. Acha, HELLO. How many characters? 5 characters. HELLO. 5 characters. It will display hello in the screen. Yes, display hello. Hello display kala. Printf write the output in the monitor. But if write integer k is equal to printf hello, so it will print hello in the screen. Again. It will print hello in the screen. HELLO. 5 characters. So K value will be 5. K value will be 5. Because hello is 5 characters. Hello is 5 characters. So display hello and assign 5 to K. If you print separately K value, percentage D. If you separately K value, so it will display hello and K value is 5. Hello, K value is 5. This is a K value 5 here. Yes. If ready printf hello mom, hello mom. Hello is a 5 character, mom is a 3 character. 5 plus 3 is 8, including space is a 9 character. Display hello mom and returns 9. Display hello mom returns 9. Next. If we write he, display he returns 2. Display he returns 2. Does not display anything. Does not display anything. Return 0. Return 0. Return 0. Does not display anything. Return 0. Got idea? ताले printf always returns number per character. अच्छा बताइए return printf event. Printf event. What is the return value? कितने रिटर्न करेगा? 4. It returns 4. It returns 4. Printf odd. What is the return value?
3.
3. It returns value 3. Yes. Now you can understand my question. Here is the integer n. Integer n. Printf enter a number. Enter any number. Scanf percentile d comma address of n. N modulo 2 is equal to 0 and operator printf event. If a printf print event returns 4. If a printf print odd returns 3. If a printf prints odd return 3. अच्छा बताइए how this program works. मैं बता दूं how this program works है. Little tricky to understand. Enter a number. Enter a number. Suppose the number is given 13. Number is given 13. अच्छा 13 is an odd number. First देखिए. अच्छा in this example, ये जो example देखो which operator has the highest precedence? Here is here is the OR operator, here is the equivalent operator, here is the AND operator, here is the OR operator. Which operator is the highest precedence? A OR to compare करना, don't compare OR, compare only these two. AND operator, OR operator. Which operator is the highest precedence? Hello?
AND operator.
No, OR operator. OR operator is the highest precedence. से जो मेट्रिक की ऑपरेटर करती भूल अच्छी, OR operator is the highest precedence. Though OR operator is the highest precedence, OR operator divide the whole expression into two parts. This is the part, this is the part. I think this part is the A, this part is the B. Well, what is written? A or B, A or B. एमिति लिखा है entire whole expression is divided into two parts using OR operator. Left side part is A, right side part is B. What is written? A or B. अच्छा, tell me what is OR operator? What is OR operator? If OR operator left side is true, if OR operator left side is true, right part will be executed or not executed?
Not executed.
Not executed.
Not
If
executed.
the OR operator left side is true, the right part will be not executed. If the OR operator left side is false, right part will be executed.
Executed.
Yes. अच्छा, OR operator left side, right part will be executed and not executed. OR operator right part will be executed or not executed. That depends on what? Left part. Yes, no, no.
Sir.
Yes.
तार right part execute हबो ना हबो, that depends on left part. Yes. ना बताइए. अच्छा, left part is subdivided into two parts. Left part is divided into right. Left part is subdivided into two parts. This is a part. This is a part using AND operator. Assume this part name is N. Assume this part name is N. It is written M and N. अच्छा, left side part is divided into two parts. एक left part को M और N भीतर divide करायचे M and N. अच्छा, what is the AND operator? मध्ये को AND operator. AND operator if left side is true, right side will be executed. If the left side is false, right side will be
Not executed. Not.
अच्छा, N part will be executed or not executed depends on which part? N part. Understood here? Now tell me, ebe बताओ, suppose N value is 30, N value is 13, N value is 13. Oh, here is written 13 modulo 2. 13 modulo 2 कितने? 13 is divided by 2. What is the remainder?
1.
Wow. 13 divided by 2, remainder is 1. अच्छा, 1 equal to 0 की?
No.
No. What is the AND operator left side? 0. AND operator left side is 0. This is the left side. This is the right side of an OR operator. It is OR operator. This is the left side. This is the right side of an AND operator. This is the M part, this is the N part. अभी बताइए, AND operator left side is false not true?
False.
After again I repeat. Don't worry. Again I repeat. Carefully देखिए. This is the OR operator left side. This is the OR operator right side. This is the AND operator left side, AND operator right side. This is the N, this is the N. आप भी बताइए. Suppose here is the N value is 13. N value is 13. Sorry. Assume N value is 13. अच्छा को 13 modulo 2. 13 modulo 2 is 1. 1. This is 1. This 1 and 0 both are not equal. 1 and 0 both are not equal. What is the return value? 0. The return value is 0. M value is 0. If M part is 0, M part will be executed or not executed?
Not executed.
Not executed. 0 and anything. 0 and anything. 0 and anything is 0. 0 and anything is 0. अच्छा, OR operator. or operator if the left side is true, or operator if the left side is false, or operator if the left side is false, right side will be executed or not executed.
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 If executed, it is print off. It is print on. अच्छा अभी बताइए how again another example I am giving. n value is 16, n value is 16. आप बताइए this is your operator left side, this is your operator right side, this is and left side, this is and right side. अच्छा को 16 modulo 2 how much?
0.
0.
16 modulo 2 is 0. 16 modulo 2 is 0. 8 out is 0. अच्छा 0 equal to 0.
Yeah.
0 equal to 0.
1.
1. 0 equal to 0. Return value is 1. 0 equal to 0. Return value is 1. 1. Return value is 1. अच्छा ये and operator left side is true. And operator left side is true. The right side will be executed or not executed.
Executed.
Executed display है. If display है, what the return value? Return value is 4. Display है, return value is 4. अच्छा 1 and the 4. 2 and the 2. 1 and the 4. 2 and the 2 is true. If you are left side is true, right side is not executed.
Not executed.
Yes. Got idea?
Yes, sir.
एमके तमको बुझिया. Yes. So you are reading operator. This is a relational operator and a logical operator. Relational operator and a logical operator. So total is 45 operator. Total is 45 operator. You told relational operator and a you remember relational operator and a logical operator.
Condition.
Relational and logical. Acha, what is the time? Hello. You understood what I am telling you? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, operator is a very fast chapter. It is a theory, and this variety of questions you will get it. I told you 10 or 11 questions. If you once operator chapter is completed, you can able to answer all the questions. Once operator chapter is completed, you able to answer all the questions. When you go for semester, go for campus interview, go to learn other language, nobody can challenge you. Sure that if anybody can ask me question on operator, I have the answer. I can challenge to anybody. What the questions I have given, there is no question beyond it. How ka baad kaun question nahi. Not only operator, every chapter. Operator, data type, control structure, pointer, array, function, storage class, preprocessor, structure union, file, command line. Only 10 chapters. 10 chapter. Each chapter, if it 10 question I explain, 100 questions, nobody can challenge you in C language. And in my website, 100 days into 5 questions, 500 programming questions are given. Day by day, make a practice. C tips are uploaded with answer. You practice. Understood? Yes. Acha, next. Acha, this is the time now, 12:45. So more time if you spend, it will be boring. Okay? Hello. Who was coordinating? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Coordinate के करथले?
सो गए.
पढ़ेलनी? अच्छा. Now you are 43 people are in online. So you enjoy or not?
So enjoyed.
Yes, sir.
Actually.
Enjoyed.
अच्छा in your
Very nice,
college
sir.
chapter is going on. कौन पढ़ाऊची?
Yes, sir.
Which chapter is going on? Hello.
Yes, sir.
C programming. Which chapter is going on in your college?
So in this semester, I have not yet got C plus
So some have
subject.
programming.
Sir, it's different for everyone, sir.
Some have programming subjects.
Everyone for same.
Same on. Means nahi, C programming you completed in your college or going on?
Going
No,
on.
sir,
the
I
first
semester
subject
is
is
for
first
all
semester, first subject is second semester.
Yes, sir. It's going on, sir.
It is going on.
Yes.
एक्चुअली फर्स्ट इयर टा लेट रे स्टार्ट होला ना तो किछि पिलांको फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर रे अछि आउ अधा पिलांको सेकंड सेमेस्टर रे रखचंदी
Second semester. किसी पिलंकर first semester अच्छी, किसी पिलंकर second semester अच्छी.
आज्ञा आज्ञा
अच्छा. ମୁଁ ତମେ ମାନେ ଯଦି କୋଉ ଚାପ୍ଟର କହିବ ମୁଁ ଏ ଅନୁସାରେ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିଦେବି କାହିଁକି ତମକୁ ଦେଇଦେଲି ୱେବସାଇଟ ୱେବ ବ୍ଲଗ ସବୁ ଦେଇଦେଲି ତମକୁ ମୁଁ ଯେକୌଣସି ଚାପ୍ଟର କହିବ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରେଇଦେବି ଯେ ପଏଣ୍ଟର କହିଲେ ଏମିତି ପଏଣ୍ଟର ଭଲାରେ ବୁଝେଇଦେବି ଆରେ କହିଲେ ଆରେ ଭଲାରେ ବୁଝେଇଦେବି ଫଙ୍କସନ କହିଲେ ଫଙ୍କସନ ଭଲାରେ ବୁଝେଇଦେବି ଏନି ଚାପ୍ଟର ୟୁ ଟେଲ୍ ମି କିନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି ଘଣ୍ଟେ 2 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଭିତରେ ବେଶୀ ସରିବନି I cannot complete all these things in 1 or 2 hours. So which one is the most difficult chapter for you? You tell me that is the most favorite chapter for me. So you can understand after 1 hour how favorite chapter, how easy chapter it is. C is very easy language. तमे गुडे काम करिवो? Hello.
Yes, sir.
We can arrange another time also. आउट टाइम रे अरेंज करनते another subject मु ऑपरेटर किछि बतै देली सब क्वेश्चन देछि तमे प्रिपेयर करबो रेस्ट काहे कि ऑपरेटर चैप्टर पढिया पय मते 4 आवर्स दरकार if I spend 4 hours operator chapter will be complete every chapter minimum 4 hours is required if I teach मु जदि पढाइबी 4 hours minimum required तनो इट इज नॉट a seminar it is one kind of a classroom तमे जे चाहो what is the application of C language. Everything is available in my website. You will learn it. My mobile number is there. You can directly call me. So if you arrange other time, maybe evening time, other time maybe Sunday or tomorrow, what any time in the daytime, छुट्टी बोले Sunday हो कि Saturday छुट्टी रे arrange करो. I'll take care. किसी पढ़ाई नहीं. Yes sir. Today we will discuss pointer. Sir, next Sunday we will discuss array. Next Sunday we will discuss file handling. Next Sunday we will discuss our networking. Any chapter you tell me I will discuss. ठीक है जी? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now it is 12:40, 12:50. बर्तमान 2 घंटा 15 घंटा हे गलानी काहे बेसी समय continuously in the microphone if you the charm will be lost. Maybe rest part of the operator I will take another class.
Okay.
So thank you everybody giving this opportunity to meet you in a distance mode, online mode. Thank you everybody. Thank you. And go through my website. All the data is uploaded. Please enjoy it. Thank you giving this opportunity. Thank you the coordinators. Thank you everybody. Thank you.
Thank you for the
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir.
For teaching us in this beautiful manner. चलो फिर
अरे यार हम लोग नए हैं तो मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है कोई टास्क बताएगा क्या क्या करना है
किसके रिलेटेड
साइबर के रिलेटेड साइबर ज्वाइनिंग के रिलेटेड मुझे पता नहीं मैं नया आया हूँ
तुम ज्वाइन किए ग्रुप्स
या साइबर ग्रुप अभी ज्वाइन किया एट प्रेजेंट
हाँ तो उसके डिस्क्रिप्शन में देखो फिलहाल जो गूगल क्लासरूम का लिंक भी है और नोशन का लिंक है वहीं पे हम सारे मटेरियल्स और टास्क अपडेट किए हैं ठीक है गो थ्रू देम
ठीक है थैंक यू
tomorrow there will be a session on Python okay the same time 11 the same group in Teams we will be scheduling a meeting okay so okay you can join tomorrow also
Okay.
that's all for now
Yeah,
we can
great.
find the meeting
Okay.
Can we leave?
yeah one more thing like the links that sir was saying I have provided that in the chat box if anyone wants to go through them you can okay